Hello and welcome. With Loxone, you can transform any room into a unique experience through the art of intelligent lighting control, whether in a new build or retrofit project. And with these products from the world of Loxone lighting, it's possible. Our LED spots with directional warm white light or RGBW colored light offer optimal and infinitely dimmable basic lighting. Thanks to their shallow installation depth, they are quick and easy to install. In the tree version, the spots can be freely grouped and addressed. This allows you to adjust lighting groups at any time, even retrospectively. Our LED ceiling spots with warm white or colored light are perfect for retrofitting or where there is no option for installation in the ceiling. Installation is simple and uncomplicated thanks to a fixing magnet. An ingenious aluminum heatsink ensures optimum passive surface cooling. Our LED Pendulum Slim, also available as a tree or PWM version, provides the right accent lighting, for example above a dining table or coffee table. The height of the luminaire can be individually adjusted using a 2-meter-long fabric-covered cable. The diffuser, made of high-quality glass, ensures a pleasant diffusion of colored light. The LED ceiling light Tree or Air not only provides warm white or colored light, but also performs many tasks in an intelligent building thanks to an integrated motion detector and brightness sensor. Presence-controlled lighting, nightlight or daylight control, no problem for the ceiling light. The Air version of the ceiling light is perfect for retrofitters as it is supplied with power via 230 volts. Indirect lighting using LED strips creates highlights in any building. The 5-meter strips can be easily shortened and extended thanks to 2 connectors. Our LED strips are available as tunable white or RGBW and in IP protection classes 20, 65 splash-proof and 68 waterproof. The Touch Nightlight is more than just a nightlight. It is a nightlight, ambient light, alarm clock, touch button and alarm device all in one, including time and temperature display. Thanks to its versatility, it is the perfect addition to all living rooms and bedrooms in your projects. And thanks to air technology, it can be placed anywhere. Whether Loxone's own lighting products or light sources from other manufacturers, thanks to our extensions, you can easily integrate almost all lights into the home and building automation system. With the Loxone dimmer extension, you can easily dim all common 230-volt light sources, from conventional light bulbs to LED lamps. The RGBW 24-volt dimmer Tree or Air are the interface for color lighting products, whether LED strips or spots. The same applies to the RGBW 24-volt compact dimmer Tree or Air, which have been specially developed for decentralized use, for example in furniture. The Nano Dimmer Air for the flush-mounted box is perfect for retrofitters. It allows you to seamlessly integrate the existing lighting into your intelligent building in a dimmable way. Loxone lighting control gives you maximum flexibility, also in terms of lighting technologies. Thanks to the DMX and DALI extensions, you can integrate a large number of different luminaires from third-party providers into the building automation. Up to 128 devices can be controlled with just one extension via the DMX extension. You can integrate up to 64 DALI luminaires via the DALI extension for the DIN rail or up to 10 DALI devices via DALI Air for decentralized use. DALI Air is also DALI 2 certified. If you would like to find out more about lighting with Loxone, please contact a Loxone partner near you or visit our website at loxone.com. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.